I just got a package and it is the new Victor Reader Stream 3rd generation. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. Alright, so here is the box, and if you've seen any of my other unboxings, I usually have a pink knife, but today I don't. So I just have a red scissor. Let's see if I can open it though. Here it is. It says Humanware, Victor Reader Stream, and yeah, thank you to Humanware for sending me this. I will need to send it back, of course, but thank you for sending it out to me.
Before we continue, let me tell you a little bit about the newest Victor Reader Stream. It's an accessible handheld media and book player from Humanware, specially designed for people who are blind and visually impaired. You can download books from different libraries like Bard and Bookshare, listen to internet radio and podcasts, record audio, and more. By the way, this is Bella from 11 Labs, and I'll be popping in here and there for Carrie once in a while. I hope you don't mind.
Alright, we'll open this and let's see what's in the box. Da, 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 da. Okay, there's some more paperwork here, and right away we see the Victor Stream. I'm gonna take it out, and wow, alright. This number 5 key has 2 dots on it. That's tactile, and wow, that is really easy to feel. There's buttons at the top. This is like a rubberized material. Huh, okay. It feels nice though. There have been some people who are concerned with the rubberized material, but this one, it feels okay for me. And yeah, the buttons are clicky. I don't have one, but I have seen the Victor Reader Stream 2nd generation, and wow, this feels really nice. It's definitely bigger buttons than those. And the button click, wow. Okay, that's kind of really nice. On the 2 key, there's a kind of rounded arrow pointy thing. So that's to show that that's the up arrow. And then there is one on the 6 and the 4 and the 8. And these are your directional keys. Here is a pixel, and it's way smaller than it. Here is the Hable 1. I did a video on that, and you can check that out if you want to, but it is smaller than the Hable, not by too much, but it's about the same size. The Hable is a little bit longer. This is definitely heavier, but wow, this feels nice in the hand, I'm not gonna lie. It has like a rounded edges right here. It's not like a sharp edge. That's nice. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, this is for another country. This is also for another country. This, oh, is this for US? Let me see. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, there we go. This is for US. It comes separate from the power brick. If I can find that. Oh, here it is. And then you can attach the adapter that you need. And I guess we just slide it on. And it clicks. Ooh, nice click. That was a nice click. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is another country. Well, I guess it has every country thing that you need. So this wire is a USB-A to a USB-C. Wonderful. Everything should have USB-C. Every single device, including iPhones. Now, let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, nothing else. All right, so here is the star of the show. There's 3 buttons at the top, a square, a circle, and a diamond. There is your T9 keyboard right there, and then there's a sleep button, and then a rewind, a play, pause, and a forward. So on the bottom edge is your USB-C port, and to the left of that is your headphone jack. On the right edge of the device, the only thing I feel here is the record button, and it has like this little red tactile dot on it. On the left edge of the device, you have your power button here with your volume buttons. They're like longer buttons, and then at the bottom of the left edge is your microphone jack. I really like that it has a dedicated microphone and a dedicated headphone jack. That is really nice. At the top edge there's a flap here, and you can open it up for a full SD card slot. I love that it's a full one because SD cards are definitely a lot cheaper, but also they are much easier to find and not lose. So I'm gonna press the power and hold it maybe. Oh, and it beeps. Okay, cool. Now what's it gonna do? Okay. I don't know what to do.
Welcome to Victor Reader.
0 books, no media, hold key 1, key describer on.
Key describer on? Did I turn on the key describer?
Volume 16, volume 18, volume 20, volume 20.
Okay, that's the maximum volume, volume 20. Now what happens if I press the power button?
Speed,
Oh, you can change the speed?
tone, volume, speed.
Okay, cool. And I'm guessing the side buttons will change it. Now that I've changed it to speed, I can press one of these side buttons.
Speed 1,
That's longer.
speed 0,
Okay.
speed -1, speed 0.
I love those sounds. Those are the same sounds from the NLS talking book players. That's great, man. This does not have a user removable battery, but I don't know. I feel okay about that because all of our devices now don't have removable batteries. I'm hoping that it can make it last longer. Hopefully. We'll have to see. But this, I love this device. This is so nice. It's so nice to hold. I really like this. I'm really enjoying this. That is pretty much it for this unboxing. I'll be doing a review video up in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in technology and accessibility, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on another video. Also, let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something you want me to test out with the device, and hopefully we can find out the answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye! No, I'm upside down. Oh, the whole video is upside down. Okay, wow. Ooh, I can just sit here and play with it. Okay.